Hello everyone, this is the Galaxy Tab S 10.5 keyboard. This is the official keyboard from Samsung. I don't normally do review videos, but I've noticed that nobody online has a single review video, or at least I looked everywhere and I could not find one. So you'll have to bear with me here. This is my cell phone camera, so this is not going to be a very high quality review video, but this is just to help out those trying to decide if they want to spend $130 or however much dollars to buy one of these keyboards. So here it is. One thing that I noticed off the bat is that it's heavier than you expect, considering that it's an add-on. Okay. So that's one thing to consider. Me, I don't care much about that, but really, it looks really nice. It matches the tablet perfectly. Okay, as you can see, there's the tablet in there. It basically turns it into a laptop, which is one of the problems that I've found. Being used to using a laptop a lot, when I have this keyboard on here, I find myself trying to reach for a trackpad and there just is not one. Okay, so when you close it all up, has a latch here. It holds together very nicely, although you have to keep in mind this it's protecting the screen right now, but it's not protecting the back, although it probably still would get some scratches on there, I don't know. On the bottom it has these little rubber feet on here. The whole thing feels very, very high quality. I like it a lot. And then you excuse me, this is hard to do with one hand. Flip it up here. Now I accidentally hit the on button, but that's another thing that I noticed. Unlike the book cover that Samsung has, which is wonderful, the actual keyboard does not have the ability to detect when the laptop's closed or not. So when you open this thing up, it will not turn the screen on. But when you hit buttons, it will. Okay. One feature that is really nice, though, is it has this little tab here, and when you close it, it'll actually shut off the Bluetooth on the keyboard to save battery power, so that's really nice. Not a whole lot more to say about that. I mean, I'm not going to go into extreme details on what all the buttons do, because I haven't even really played with that a whole lot. But it works really nice. So you can press the home button, unlock my screen. I'll just go straight to the internet here. YouTube. Pretty easy to type on. Not so easy with one hand. Just, you know, whatever. Has a lot of the same features of a regular keyboard, like, you know, shift and capitals, or shift and then, you know, special characters, Control C, Control V, copy paste, you know. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. But all in all, I would say this is really high quality. Once again, you know, I spent the money, but I wouldn't necessarily recommend to everyone to spend $130 on a keyboard. But it definitely looks nicer than a lot of the other keyboards that are out there for it. Alright, thank you.